Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add borders in WPS Spreadsheet. If you want to do it, first you need to select data range where you want to add borders. So for example, I select this data range, and after that I need to go to these options. I need to click on this arrow, and here we have different types of borders. The first one option is no border, the second option is all borders, third option is outside borders, and the last option here I recommend you to know is thick box border. If you want to have the borders everywhere in this data range, I recommend you to select all borders option. So I select it, and after that borders will be displayed here. So how you see it really works. But if you want to remove these borders, you need to select this data range again, and you need to click on this one option, and then you need to select no border. So in this way you can add or remove borders in WPS Spreadsheet. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.